Hey everyone, welcome back to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. And I just want to thank you guys so much for 13 subscribers. We just made out this first video yesterday, and you guys really enjoyed it. I just have one question. Should I keep the name Kaspa Silver or should I change it to Kaspa Silva? I don't know if I should do that. I don't know. I like it either way. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want it to. But as you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about if Kaspa going to $1 is actually realistic. So to begin, what I first want to look at is Kaspa's price right now. So currently we're sitting at the 3.2 area, and yesterday we were at the 3.7 area, and we went right back down to the 3.2. So we've done this about twice now. The lowest we saw was 2.7, and then we kind of went up, and we came down over here and went to the 3.2 on the 4th, and now we're going again at 3.2. So it looks like we have a good resistance in this area. If we break from this 3.2, I could possibly see it going right back down to the 2.7 area, maybe to 2.5. But again, I don't believe I can see this going to 1 penny again. Also, if we look at the market cap, it's at 581 million. It's down 4%. The volume is down 9%. We're under that 30 million volume, which we were doing every day. But you got to remember, this token is, or not token, sorry, this coin is a inflation coin right now because it's being mined. Currently, the output of tokens is very, very high. And I can actually show you guys that real quick. If we go to cas.fyi, I can show you guys exactly the rewards that are being put out. You know, over 200 Kaspa is being put out every time a block is mined. So this is going to be very inflationary in the beginning, but 61% is mined. And if you go to the actual website for Kaspa, we check that out over here, you could see that if we look at the tokenomics of this coin, it's already set. It's already set how this is going to come out. You know, the pre-deflationary time is going to go in the first 6 months. You know, over 6 billion tokens coins were minted, and then in the first year we're going to reach that 17.5 area after 18 months. The second year, after when we get to the 30 month area, we're going to be hitting that 23 billion mark. So, you know, this won't be fully mined out until, let's see, month 186, 15 years later is when it's fully going to be mined out. So it's going to become, it's going to be stay inflationary for a little bit, but it will decrease over time. It's not going to be that much inflationary. So the price won't be this volatile. It'll become even more stable, which either way, it doesn't even, it's not even looking that volatile, to be honest. I mean, it's volatile to the upside, but not to the downside that much. And I really think that we have a really good future. Now, let me get into this $1 prediction. Is this realistic? So for currently, if Kaspa was to be $1 right now, that would put that market cap at $17.7 billion. Now, the problem with this is the fact that a lot of people don't understand market cap. I've seen comments of people saying, oh, Bitcoin started at pennies. Don't miss out. You know, Bitcoin's at 28K now. You know, guys, like market cap matters. Market cap is everything. Okay, if you look at Bitcoin, you got the circulating supply only being 19.3 million. It's only millions, and the max is at 21 million. Kaspa is at 28 billion max. So you see, there's a huge difference here. Kaspa will never be $28,000. And, you know, never say never, but realistically, it would never be $28,000 because of how many coins are going to be minted. It's just not possible. If Kaspa was to be Bitcoin's market cap right now, which I'm going to show you guys that. We're going to do Bitcoin, or let me switch this up actually first. Let's put Kaspa here first and take a look here. So Kaspa, if Kaspa was Bitcoin, that would put it at $30 right now, which is a 925x. I personally believe that Kaspa can be a $500 billion market cap at some point in time in the future. Now, this is going to decrease as more are minted. So I would say that this is probably going to be around $25, which is still a crazy amount of return in the long, long, long run. This is not going to happen overnight. I'm not trying to promote this as like a go to the moon and all that kind of stuff. No, that's not what the founders and the developers are even promoting either. This isn't about mooning. This isn't a meme coin. This is a legitimate project trying to actually solve something that Bitcoin was intentionally first designed to do, which is a peer-to-peer transactional system. Bitcoin that was its first intention. It failed at doing that because it's too slow, and now it's become a store of value. A lot of Bitcoiners don't want to accept the fact that, Satoshi's vision was never gold. It was legitimately a transactional peer-to-peer system. That's what it says in the white paper. And Bitcoin failed at doing that, and now it's becoming a store of value, which is okay. I still believe Bitcoin's going to be the top because of that. When you have gold and silver, gold is always much higher than silver. And that's why Kaspa has that higher market cap. I think it makes sense so that when, Kaspa hits these 500 billion market cap, it's only $30. It's only, it's not looking $28,000, which makes people not really want to buy in because they think it's so expensive, but they don't realize market cap is everything. Now, how realistic is $1? So I think the best way to do that is to look at a coin that started before the last bull run and is still in the top 10, which actually it is in the top 10 right now. And that coin is none other than Solana. I wanted to take a look at this and kind of show you guys the chart. Now, obviously from this chart, you could see that a bunch of private investors and allocations have been given to people before it was launched because everyone just dumped on everybody else. But anyways, this started at pennies and the volume was already at, multiple millions. And it was just kind of staggering around pennies over here. And it just kept slowly going up until the bull run came. And over here is a really good point here. You're already getting 555 million. And this is the crazy thing about looking at Solana. Okay, so Solana had support for Crypto.com and Binance pretty much from the get-go. They had it from the beginning, which shows why this volume was still pretty high in the very beginning. If we look over here, when was Solana listed on Coinbase, or not Coinbase, sorry. That's the last one I want to show you. Listed on Binance first. So Sol was listed on Binance in April of 2020. We go to April 2020, you could see here that was from the start. It was already listed and you already had volume that was up there because it was new and it was on Binance already. Kaspa's not even on Binance yet, guys. We are ready. And then let me put market cap here. So market cap wasn't even calculated yet. It hit 10 million and it hit 10 million market cap, guys, and it was already on Binance. Before 10 million market cap, it was already on Binance. Kaspa's already 600 million market cap and it's not even on Binance yet. Think about that. Okay, now let's take a look at Solana being listed on Crypto.com, because these are like the main ones. I don't know why I have caps lock there. Let me see here. I think I literally messed up my search term just because it had caps. It's supposed to pop it up. All right, let's see. Crypto.com on August 6th, Crypto.com listed Solana. All right, let's take a look at August 6th. You go to August 6th over here. Let's see. That's about right here in this area. We're getting market cap of 93 million. Okay, with a 10 million volume daily. Nice, cool. Guys, Kaspa is not on either of these exchanges, and we're already seeing volume over 30 million and the market cap already over 500 million. Think about it, guys. Okay, so now let's go to the next point. This is the big one. Let's look at Coinbase. When did it get on Coinbase? July of 2021. Look at that. It took a while for Solana to get on Coinbase. But let's take a look at what was July of 2021. So we're going to go over here. And that's 7 over here. This is this area. Guys, look at this. July of 2021. Market cap is 7 billion. Volume is 230 million. And look what happened right after. Boom. Bull run. Skyrocket. and we hit a peak of a market cap of $78 billion. Guys, Kaspa, within a year from now, if we're looking at this chart here, I think by the time we're at like the peak of the bull run, we'll probably only be at 23 billion coins. So is $1 possible? Totally. Totally. Solana hit $78 billion at the peak of a bull run. Solana was launched not in 2017. It was launched not too long ago. Hit $78 billion, guys. And just taking a look at that and comparing it to Kaspa is insane, because not only this is a fact that, you know, Solana got to that high. Kaspa and Solana is like comparing apple to oranges. Solana is a proof of stake token. It's also built. It's has so many issues. It's nothing like Kaspa. Look at the allocation. The foundation took 20% of the tokens. The team took 20% of the tokens. Public auction sale was only 2.6. You had founding sale 20%, seed sale 25%. All these different allocations to the team, to the foundation. Guys, security, red flag, hello. Kaspa doesn't have this. This is what makes it so much better. It doesn't have this here. No pre-mine, no VCs, no private investors. This is why it's important to understand the difference between crypto, altcoins, and Bitcoin, and now Kaspa. They're decentralized, 100% decentralized. This is not decentralized. This is keeping funds for yourself so that you can fund your company. And not to mention, you know, Solana is in the top 10, and it literally has so many issues with it, with how many times the servers just messed up and people weren't able to, you know, run Solana correctly anymore. So I'm comparing apple to oranges here, but I'm just giving you an example of the potential of how much money comes into these markets when we're in a bull run, and if that comes. So can Kaspa hit $1? Most likely yes. Most likely yes. And if it was to go to that $78 billion area, you know, that would put Kaspa at $2 to $5, guys. So, you know, this is just what I believe in the future may happen. But again, you know, always do your own research. Like I said in my first video, go to the homepage and look at what you're investing in. Read about Kaspa, understand it, because it's very important to know what you're investing in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and put a comment down below on what you think about Kaspa. And with all that being said, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.